Okay, now let's focus on the second example. Okay, it's almost similar with the first example. Okay, I just change a little bit the words there. Sorry, I forget to draw the pictures there. Let's draw the pictures. Now I put it as a okay. Given the following 4-bit image, okay, 4-bit image. Okay, I don't put grayscale here. Okay, doesn't matter is it a grayscale or not. Okay, doesn't matter is it have a grayscale or not there. Given the following 4-bit image, find the intensity level resolution. In this question, okay, it's almost similar with the example number 1, but now you can see that given the following 4-bit grayscale image. So in this question, you can see the first line there. If you see you need to identify the important keywords there. The important keyword is this one, 4-bit. So if the question talk about given the following 4-bit grayscale image, so now if the question use the term 4-bit here, actually that is refer to your spatial resolution. Okay, so find the intensity, I'm sorry, not spatial resolution, that is refer to intensity level resolution. So the part 1 there, intensity level resolution should equal to your 4 bits, okay, per pixels. So it's different from the example number 1, because the example number 1, I don't mention in the question, it does not mention the intensity level resolution. It just put a grayscale image. So if there's no mention about intensity 4-bit or any bit there, then by default you need to use 8-bit per pixels, because that is the default value in your computer. Okay, just remember that. But for the second example, since the question already directly mentioned the 4-bit grayscale image, means that the intensity level resolution right now is 4-bit per pixels. Just remember that. And then what is the spatial resolution? I think spatial resolution is similar. It's a 2 times 2, so that's why 2 times 2 pixels, so equals to 4 pixels. Okay, what are the memory size? The memory size, okay, forget about changing the bit into byte if you don't have a skill to change that. Okay, I don't ask you to change it into byte. If you still can give me the answer in bits, is still okay. So that's why carefully don't show off yourself by changing the bit to byte. If you don't not sure, then just use the in byte unit. So it just okay, again, the size is equal to IR times SR. So your IR is your 4 bits per pixels. You don't have to change it into byte. Okay, for the safety purpose. Otherwise, if you wrongly change it into byte and the answer is wrong, then I can deduct marks there. Okay, so 4 bit per pixel times 4 pixels. So the answer is 16. Cancel this one, so it becomes 16 bits. So now the memory size required to store this image, 4 times 4, the spatial resolution is, I'm sorry, 4 times 4, the spatial resolution is 2 times 2, which is 4 pixel, and the intensity level resolution is 4 bit per pixel, is 16 bits. Okay, so by having this example, I hope you can understand and you manage to identify what are the intensity level resolution, what are the spatial resolution, and how to calculate the memory space. Okay, I think I want to show another example, because this one both are grayscale, but I don't actually grayscale or not, still let's say I change the question. Given the following 1-bit image, find the, even I don't mention grayscale, 1 bit image is not grayscale, it's a binary. Remember, if the intensity level resolution is 1 bit, it become binary. Even I don't mention binary, still you can calculate that. The intensity level resolution should be 1 bits per pixel. Spatial resolution is depend on how many box here. It's a 2 times 2. Then you can calculate the memory size. But I want change a little bit the question. Imagine that I change the question in this way. Given the following, sometimes I change in this way. Okay, given the following. 4-bit, then I don't put I don't mention this one. I just said given the following 4-bit, let me put another colors here, color image. Given the following 4-bit color image, find the color. I put a bracket there, RGB. Okay, given the following 4-bit color RGB image, find the intensity level resolution, 2 spatial resolution, and 3 memory size to store the image. Okay, if the question mention this is color image and is a 4-bit, the intensity resolution is not directly take here 4-bit and then the intensity level resolution is equal to 4-bit per pixel, because you remember the color image RGB is consists of 3 layers. Okay, 3 layers metric. So if you by having color image over here, you must multiply this one with 3, represent 3 channel. Okay, if grayscale, you don't have to multiply with anything, because by default any grayscale you just because of 1 channel. So that's why you actually there's a multiplication, there's still multiplication as well, but you multiply with 1. So that's why 8 times 1 you get 8. But if you have a color image, okay, then this one should be multiplied with 3, because these 3 over here represent 3 channel of R, G and B. So now the intensity level resolution is 12 bits per pixels. Okay, you just remember, let's say same goes to example number 1. If I said this is color image, color RGB image, then the intensity level resolution, okay, intensity level resolution you must time with 3. That's why you get 24. Okay, remember the first weeks of our lectures, color image is always have 4 bits per pixels because of RG and B, 3 layers. So that's why the intensity level, that is referred to intensity level resolution. You have a 3 channel, so that's why you must time 3. And then for this case, the spatial resolution is similar, 2 times 2, you get 4 pixel. But the memory size to store the image, this one now, because the intensity level resolution is now is not 8-bit, is a 24-bit. Okay, it's a 24-bit. So that's why now this one become 24. Okay, this one become 24. Then 24 must multiply with 4. Okay, that one you need to, you can use your calculator. 24 times 4, then that is the answer. There's an answer there. Okay, again I just can put here as a 3 byte. The answer here is 3 byte. So why I know is 3 byte, because this one, okay, this one again 8-bit is 1 byte. So 1 times 3 you get 3 byte. So 24-bit is equal to 3 byte per pixels. So this one is actually equal, this one is actually equal to 3 byte. Yeah, 3 byte. So 3 byte here. Okay, so 3 byte times 4, should be, I'm sorry, this one is not 3 byte, this one should be 12 byte. Okay, so that's it. So again, the previous one grayscale, because grayscale 1 intensity 1 pixel required 1 byte, so that's why the size is, if you talk about 4 pixel here, you need 4 byte. But for color image, since you need 24 bit per pixel or 3 byte, so that's why the size required to store these 2 times 2 pixels or 4 pixel, you are required 12 byte. Okay, so the summary there, if this question is color image, then the size should be 12 byte. But the previous one, if the question is talk about grayscale, okay, given the following grayscale image, okay, then it become 4 byte, because 1 pixel 1 byte, okay, so 4 pixel 4 byte. But for color image, 1 pixel is 3 byte, so 4 pixel is 12 byte. So remember that's changing is because of the RGB, or the color image, have a 3 layers. So that's why the intensity level resolution you must multiply with 3. That's why if this one is changing, then the memory size also changing, because the IR is now changing. But the spatial resolution is similar. Same goes to this one, because 4 bit per pixel is just 1 layers. But now because you have a 3 color image RGB, which is 3 layers, so that's why 4 bit must multiply with 3, you get 12 bit. And then to find this memory size, now because this one is not 4 anymore, it become 12, so 12 times 4 should be 48, right? 48 bits. Okay, so hope you can understand about this one. Okay, the difference is just if you talk about the color image, because color image is a multi-channels image, or multi-layer image. But for grayscale and binary, it's belong to the same single channel image. So that's why the intensity level, the resolution is just multiply with 1, you get that same value. So I hope that by having discussion of these two example, you can identify what you can understand what is intensity level resolution, spatial resolution, as well as how to calculate the memory size, or the size of the image, if you want to store that image inside your computer or your SD card.